Channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, would be telling you about the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience. So let me share those details with you. And we also have got few of the referral opportunities. So I'll be sharing with you with respect to one of the company which is doing mass hiring for QA. So the very first company which is hiring QA and they are hiring for freshers 0 to 1 years. The location is Ahmedabad and you can share your CV at this email address. Profiles with more than 1 year of experience will not be considered for this role. Looks like they have a budget, they have the requirement on leave with respect to 0 to 1 years of experience. So accordingly, people should take the action. Then Iris Software is hiring for one of its client. So they have got four roles for QA. The work location would be Gurgaon for the very first month, and later on it would be remote. So you can see they have got open positions. First role is for end-to-end automation testers. Number of positions are 13. They need 10 testers and 3 leads. Second role is for SDET automation framework engineer. Number of positions are 5, 4 testers and 1 lead. Then the third role is for end-to-end automation tester with capital market experience. This the number of positions are 3 for this particular role, and last role is for end-to-end automation tester. Number of position is 1. Work timings would be 5 a.m. to 2 p.m. on weekdays. Location is remote, working allowed, need to work from Gurugram for the first month. So if you can see 13 positions plus 5 18 plus 3 21, 22 positions are there. Okay, and they are looking for pure automation testing as its role, and it's a purely remote role. So you can apply for these particular positions. 5 to 10 years of experience in test automation, strong programming skills in Java, design patterns, then hands-on experience with Selenium, WebDriver, and TestNG, API automation using REST assured is required. So all these things are required. Then there is a requirement for senior manual tester, senior QA. Experience required is 3 to 6 years. Positions are two, and the skill set is manual testing, API testing. Only immediate joiners are preferable. Location would be Ahmedabad. It would be 5 days a week, and you can share your CV to this email address, or you can also call or you can WhatsApp on this number. Then there is a requirement for SDET role, product-based company only. So they are looking for SDETs, API automation testing must have REST assured Java API automation. Then mobile application testing must have APM, Android, iOS testing. Location is Gurgaon. Experience required is 1 to 4 years. And immediate serving by first week of July. If you can join, that would be great. Candidates should only be from product-based company, and this is the email address. Then there is one more company in Hyderabad which is hiring for QA automation test engineers, Java plus Selenium. Experience required is 2 to 4 years in Java Selenium, and notice period is immediate serving notice only, and the email address is mentioned. Then there is a requirement for automation experts. So in that they are looking for core Java plus Selenium. So you can send your CV at this email address. Then there is a requirement at L&T Technologies. QA engineer requirement is there. 3 plus years of experience is required, and they are looking for someone who can execute detailed test plans and test cases, create requirement trace matrices, RTMs, collaborate with cross-functional teams, and you have to stay updated on model QA tools and strategies. So these are the requirements for Apple Technologies. You can share your CV at this email address. So these are few of the requirements for the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience. And don't forget to apply today itself. And let me share one more detail with you. Right. And apart from this, there is one more open campus drive which is happening today only, and it would be happening in this week. So it's an open campus drive for the designation of software testing. And there will be 3 rounds. First one would be written test, then 2 technical rounds, and then HR round. And the company location is also provided. You can just scan this code and you can reach out to there. The company is based out in Pune, Maharashtra, and this is the contact number for the details, right? So these are a few of the requirements for testing. And don't forget to apply today because the job opportunities are looking for experienced people as well as freshers. So you can apply soon so that you get quick interview calls and you can give the interviews and you can get shortlisted. So apply today itself, and don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe our channel, because these kind of information we are sharing absolutely free of cost with you. We are not charging anything. So request you to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.